How to turn off the read receipt on your Instagram account so that the people you're chatting with, they won't be able to see that if you have seen their message or not. How you can simply enable this feature on your Instagram chats in some minutes. For this, you simply have to open your Instagram, as there is no direct option to simply with this option you can just turn off your read receipt or turn on your read receipt. So there is no direct option for that. Instead, you can do one thing, that is simply go on your chat and select the person you want to switch off the read receipt, like this account. I will click on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen and then click on restrict this account. Now, whenever you restrict an account, so whenever a person texts you with a restricted account, if you see the message, they won't be get notified that you have seen their message or even you have read that. So this is how you can enable this setting. Thank you so much for watching this video.